In this Canva tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to remove backgrounds from images on Canva mobile. So to do this, you're going to need Canva Pro. It's a Canva Pro feature. You can try it for free with the link in the description down below or the top comment. Now, you're going to first select an image you want to remove the background on. And then here at the bottom bar, we're going to go into the Magic Studio. From there, we're going to see Background Remover as the first option. Now, once we click on that, it's probably going to go ahead and do some work for you. If it doesn't, we'll click in here again to go into the parameters of the background remover. So you can see how it already removed the background around the subject here. Now you can erase more background or restore with these two options here. And then you can adjust the brush size with this scroll bar down here. You can see that brush in the middle of your screen there. It's just kind of scaling up and down. You can also show the original image by toggling this on and off as well. And so what we can do here is erase or restore parts of the image once we remove the background. And so I can increase that brush size. I can restore parts of the background. You can see here how that white background behind the girl here is being restored. Or I can click erase and do the same thing and kind of reverse that and kind of erase that background again. Now I'm going to use my fingers here to kind of zoom in on the image, so you can zoom in to get finer detail on your erasing. And of course I messed that up, and if you do, in the upper left you can actually see a little undo icon, so we can undo any of our adjustments that we make. But once again, I'm going to change the brush size this time, kind of scale it down, and then use my finger to sort of just remove some of the background. So if there's areas of the image that you feel like the background automatically didn't get removed, you can use your finger to kind of erase more. You can also switch it to restore down here and do the opposite. So if it took out too much of the background, you can restore more of it as well. So it's a pretty easy feature to use. It's pretty automated. To remove the background of your images. I'm going to go ahead and undo this from what we restored so that we can actually see the removed background. And then you can just exit out of the background remover. And you can see here now this image doesn't have the white background covering up the text anymore. And so it's just completely cut out and now laid in over the top of the text. So the background remover tool is pretty powerful, pretty automated. You can get in there and kind of make adjustments if you want. I can see that it saved some of our adjustments for restoring the background here on the right hand side. So I could click on that again and go into the Magic Studio and make those adjustments again with the background remover. And instead of restoring, I can come in here and kind of erase some of this background if I want to. So if you want to reset everything, you can hit Reset Tools down here and it will totally reset the background remover. So you can see here that we actually have a background again covering up the words. So if you want to bring it back, you can do that. Or you can just go in there again. Maybe I don't want to erase things. I want it to automatically remove that background again. So I'll just like redo the background remover. And you can see how there's nothing on the right hand side anymore. So just remove that background really quick. Now sometimes it might take a minute to remove it if you haven't removed it before from that particular image. But it's really easy here on Canva Mobile to remove the background from an image with Canva Pro.